Hi and assalamu alaikum to all. Uh, Today I'm going to look at some constellation. Constellation are the group of the stars, and these are the patterns which ancient people draw on the sky to locate the stars. And these constellations are uh, used nowadays to study the sky map. This is the night sky of from location from my home. So here is the most iconic constellation, which is called the Orion, and in the Orion, you can see this is the Betelgeuse. This is the supergiant in the supergiant state, and in no time we don't know about it, but it is in the state of to burst in the supernova, and you can see uh, this is the Orion Nebula, which is the M42, M43, and this one is Jupiter. And I use this app for star tracking, and this is marvelous, literally, because it can track the night sky for me from my location, and it is really very good. So actually, I'm passionate stargazer, and I like the night sky, and that's why I use this app. So this is the Crab Nebula, the most iconic Crab Nebula. So this is the Orion constellation from my home. Okay, and there are so many constellation, because if I rotate and up to the sky in 360 degrees, you can see each and every constellation. It is showing to me it's the Andromeda galaxy. Look at this. And this is the little dumbbell nebula. Okay, so today video is for uh, stargazing and how I track the stars and nebulas and these objects from the night sky. So I hope you are also enjoying with me this type of view, because this is so stunning and so marvelous. Okay, it's time to end the video, and thank you for being with me, and goodbye. Allah Hafiz. This is the Rosette Nebula. Okay, Allah Hafiz.